in the beginning, we thought that if a customer is more like blue collar, where paint body and automotive space, they're jobbers, they are on the field. They did not want to go online and log in and place the order. They're busy. They're out on the field. We were also not sure whether the acceptance will be there. But our first implementation that we did 7 years ago, surprisingly, this large distributor that I'm talking about, they had 25, 30 people on the floor taking phone orders, right? Their customers will come to their own trade show or conference, and they will go through this book with all the promotion and SKUs, and they will tick and check mark and place the order. It will take them all day, right? Now that those jobbers, those customers are used to buying online, the advantage that they see it is they can really real time see inventory without having to call somebody and see that whether can I get it on the truck today or not? What will be my ETA? Okay, I need 10 quantities of it, but I don't want to pay a heavy shipping charge. So there are all those things that those features have enabled. And now the situation is that instead of 25 people taking phone orders, there are only 5 people at that particular customer location.